Hello gamers, and welcome to my first review, which will be a 4-part review of the Metroid Prime series. To start off with the first part, I will be reviewing the aspects of the first Metroid Prime. Story. This game, or Twilight Princess, may have one of the best stories of any game. You are Samus, a Galactic Federation bounty hunter in pursuit of an alien race known as Space Pirates. Samus lands on the frigate Orphan to investigate, only to be run down to a crash landing on the planet Talon 4. With most of Samus' weapons malfunctioned, she must now explore this new planet and uncover the mysteries of the Phazon that plagues its core. Graphics. The graphics for this game were very good for the GameCube. It features a first-person aspect in a mystic world of creatures. The atmosphere is well done too. The rainforest areas have a rain effect which will show up on your visor. Same thing for heat geysers in volcanic depths of magma caverns. The textures were an A+ and gave a realistic feel to it that no other GameCube game could supply. Audio. Metroid Prime has one of the best soundtracks of any game. Each track always sets the mood of the scene. Vendrona, for example. It is the icy, calm region that is accompanied with an easy tune that just relaxes the soul. Compared to Magma Caverns, which is a wild, fiery pit of death with its magma, and it gets a solid, hard track that is upbeat and catchy. Overall, it is a soundtrack worthy of buy or download, and it is fitting for one of the best games out there. Difficulty. This game's difficulty is its weak point. It has two modes, normal and hard, which are both sort of misleading. Normal mode is too easy and hard mode is just a tad bit too hard. There could have been less of a change when going from normal to hard mode, because if you beat normal mode for the first time, it probably doesn't mean you are ready for hard mode, unless normal mode is insanely easy for you. Overall, the difficulty is great and easy to get into, but it is far from perfect by any means. Gameplay and controls. The gameplay in Metroid Prime is excellent. It is a first-person shooter that takes place on Talon 4. The style is easy to get into even if you're not used to first-person games. The controls are easy to learn too. Moving is done with the joystick in a single-stick style. Looking in the air is done by holding the R button and looking around. Shooting is done by pressing the A button. You can even charge your weapons by holding the A button till a full charge and releasing. Jumping is simple as well by simply pressing B. If you have played The Wind Waker or Twilight Princess, then you will have the lock-on mastered. It is done by holding in the L button. While in the game, you may transform into a ball called the Morph Ball. This form allows access to small passageways and is done by pressing the X button. Missiles are shot by pressing Y. You can switch off between beams as you get them by tilting the C-stick in the direction of the beam you want. This is the same for switching visors, although you use the D-pad instead.